Last year, Lenovo delivered an exceptionally impressive and extremely popular high-end gaming laptop in the Legion 5 Pro. We have already tested the NVIDIA's RTX 3070 Ti version, so we thought we'd now take a closer look at the slightly cheaper 120W RTX 3060 version. For gamers who prioritize value for money and who are satisfied with running at 60 FPS on the latest games in QHD, or creatives who focus on CPU performance, Lenovo has put together a convincing combination here. Competitors will include both other RTX 3060 laptops with comparable Intel i7 or AMD Ryzen 7 CPUs, such as the recently tested HP Omen 16, or significantly more expensive notebooks such as the Gigabyte Aero 16 with an i9 on board. The latter will be hard-pressed to develop its performance potential to the same degree. Lenovo provides a solid metal case for the Legion 5 Pro. Its workmanship is flawless. The 16-inch gaming laptop oozes quality, and neither casual or deliberate handling results in flexing surfaces or evokes any untoward creaking noises. Even the lid, which is often an Achilles heel in many competitive laptops, tested firm, leaving the display rigidly in the desired position. In terms of weight, the heavy use of metallic materials is noticeable. The Legion is one of the heaviest of any comparable devices. The cooling vents are spread right across the base of the unit. Lenovo is bucking the trend of presenting ever thinner and smaller devices and has clearly focused on robustness and cooling potential for this potent exposition of hardware. Lenovo also sets a good example in terms of both the type and number of ports and slots that are distributed over three sides of the case. Ergonomically, it favors right-handed users, providing just a single USB-A port, USB 3.2 Gen 1, on the right-hand side of the case. This reduces the risk of getting tangled up in display or network cables with a mouse. By way of example, this port is ideal for wireless dongles for peripheral devices. To the left, there are two state-of-the-art USB-C ports. One is Thunderbolt 4 and the other conforms to the USB 3.2 Gen 2 standard with full 20-bit/S and DisplayPort 1.4 support. The rest of the ports can be found on the back of the case, where Lenovo has fully exploited the available space. In addition to two other USB-A 3.2 Gen 1 ports, there is a third USB-C port, via which the laptop can also be charged at up to 135W. Connectivity is topped off by an HDMI port and an RJ45 port for wired networks. The power plug slot is also at the back of the case. Given the variety and placement of ports and slots, the Legion 5 Pro can be readily deployed as a desktop replacement device with multiple monitors and peripherals, and as a mobile device it is equipped for any situation. There's also the opportunity to limit the use of dongles to the DisplayPort adapter. The Legion 5 Pro is equipped with the extremely popular Intel AX211 WLAN module. With Wi-Fi 6E on board, it doesn't just provide the most current Wi-Fi standard. The card delivers up to its full potential and occupies top position among comparable devices. It's not just that data transfer speeds are impressive, but also that it doesn't disappoint as a gaming notebook in everyday use. With stable and fast transfer rates, even large game downloads are of no consequence. A gigabit Ethernet port is available for wired connections. Here we would have preferred the faster 2.5 GB port, given that it is already installed in many competing devices. The speed advantages in commensurate networks or when connecting to NAS systems are enormous and would have been well matched to the rest of the hardware configuration. For more videos, please subscribe to my channel.